most beautiful thing that you can wear is confidence. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Saito Mayhong, 10 years old, a grade 4 learner from Santo Rosario Elementary School in Abanga. And I believe that beauty has no skin tone. And thank you!
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Marie Camille Aparisi Bandiha, 10 years old from Barangay Lourdes, Municipality of Panglao. And I believe the saying of when you have a dream, grab it and don't let go. And I thank you.